Imagine making an extra $500 a week without a degree, office, or fancy gear. These 5 side hustles cost $0 to start, and anyone can do them. First up, freelance writing. If you can write clearly, you can get paid. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Contra are gold mines. Start by offering blog posts or product descriptions. Next, print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies with free tools like Canva. Sell on Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. No inventory needed. Now, affiliate marketing on TikTok. Review Amazon products or share money tips. Drop your affiliate link in bio. One viral video can mean daily commissions. Fourth, user testing websites. Get paid to test websites for 5-10 minutes. Try sites like User Testing or Try My UI. $10 per test adds up quickly. Lastly, selling digital products. Make templates, planners, or ebooks on Canva. Sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. Build once, sell forever. No skills? No problem. Just start. Like this video if you want to deep dive into any of these. And don't forget to subscribe for Day 2's hustle.